What if artificial intelligence is the next step in our biological evolutionary development? Natural evolution brought us to the point where we now are developing technologies that will enable us to biologically evolve our species as we see fit. In the 20th century, computer scientists began developing AIs with the goal of playing strategic games better than the best human players out there. They realized the best way to teach a machine is to give it access to information and let it learn all on its own. This is how humans learn. We're born and released into a new world with overwhelming amounts of information. Utilizing our five senses, we take in all this information to be processed with our brains. In some cases, within only a few short hours, given access to huge amounts of information and the rules of a particular game, machines become capable of beating the best human players on the planet. Versions of an AI called AlphaGo beat the best human Go players using these techniques of learning. Machines achieve superhuman levels of abilities to play strategic games. Currently, the trucking industry is poised to have human drivers replaced by artificially intelligent, self-driving autonomous trucks, which use a form of self-machine learning called deep learning. Through deep learning and being programmed with the rules of the road, these trucks learn to navigate the roads and highways by analyzing many thousands of hours of traffic videos in the laboratory. They learn from the videos how to recognize signs, interpret human and animal behavior on the road, and other possible obstacles. After this, the trucks are released onto the real world. We can disregard the important concept of consciousness here, relieving us from having to discuss AI rights, justice for AIs, and myriad other ethical concepts and concerns we attach to living, breathing humans. Some experts believe an existential threat to our species will be formed at a point when some AI surpasses human-level intelligence by some huge factor, which we can refer to as superintelligence. This quote from the movie Terminator says it all. New, powerful, hooked into everything, trusted to run it all. They say it got smart, new order of intelligence. Then it saw all people as a threat, not just the ones on the other side. Decided our fate in a microsecond. Extermination. Other experts believe the development of AI is another step in our evolutionary process. They think rather than AI destroying us as a separate entity, it is determined we will merge biologically with AI technology, thereby gaining access to this super level of intelligence and unimaginable abilities for ourselves. They believe this is the destination natural evolution has delivered us to.